The Honda Goldwing Tour is the king of luxury touring bikes. Celebrating over 50 years, this rolling throne delivers comfort, technology, and performance. But is it right for you? Here are 5 reasons to love it and 5 reasons to be wary. Let's start with the power plant. The Goldwing Tour uses an 1833cc liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, a class of its own. A flat 6, or boxer 6, is rare for motorcycles. The horizontal cylinders give the bike the lowest center of gravity in its class, resulting in excellent handling for its size and weight. And what does that feel like in the real world? In a word, buttery smooth. Whether you're cruising at highway speeds or threading through light city traffic, there's virtually zero vibration reaching your hands or seat. The flat 6-cylinder engine's status as a flag bearer for new technology is well-founded, and Honda has only refined it further over the decades. This is the engine that set the benchmark for touring comfort, and in 2026, it remains the gold standard. The Goldwing Tour is a technology showcase, a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, a 7-inch TFT screen, an electric windscreen, a smart key, 4 riding modes, and hill start assist keep it at the forefront of motorcycling. But stepping beyond the bells and whistles, the headline tech feature for modern riders is the connectivity suite. You can keep track of speed, ride mode, fuel level, air temperature, and cruise control settings, and even connect wirelessly to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. That means full smartphone integration, maps, music, calls, right on the dash without fumbling for your phone. 2025 updates include Wi-Fi for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, better Bluetooth intercom, and improved speakers. The 2026 model keeps these. The premium audio system lets you enjoy playlists in crisp, clear sound on the road. One of the biggest headaches of motorcycle touring is always luggage. On the Goldwing Tour, Honda has essentially solved this problem. The trunk holds 61 liters, enough for 2 full-face helmets. Add the saddlebags and you've got huge, lockable, weatherproof storage from the factory. No extra racks or seat-strapped bags needed, just integrated capacity ready to go. The Tour features a top box with an integrated passenger backrest and extra storage compared to the base model. Your passenger gets a backrest and you get more space, ideal for long-distance touring. Transitioning to comfort, the Goldwing Tour was built around one core philosophy: neither rider nor passenger should ever want to stop. And Honda delivers on that promise in every detail. Luxurious materials on both front and rear seats ensure ultimate riding comfort, and dual LED fog lights provide piercing visibility. The electrically adjustable windscreen lets you dial in your wind protection on the fly without stopping. All models come equipped with heated electric grips as standard, so those chilly early morning starts and late evening returns are far more bearable. And you can choose between 4 ride modes: Tour, Sport, Rain, and Econ, each of which adjusts power output so you can tailor the bike to your current riding conditions. All DCT models feature walking mode, which lets you creep forward or backward under power at a walking pace, making it easy to get in and out of tight parking spots with a fully loaded bike. Small detail, massive quality of life improvement. Continuing with safety, for a bike of this size and weight, Honda has gone to impressive lengths to make the Goldwing Tour feel safe and manageable in a wide variety of situations. All models are equipped with a combined anti-lock braking system for excellent stopping power on a wide variety of road and traction conditions. Beyond ABS, Honda Selectable Torque Control monitors the bike's rear wheel speed and instantly adjusts torque to maintain traction, essentially a sophisticated traction control system working silently in the background. Hill Start Assist momentarily holds the motorcycle's position on inclines after you've released the brakes and before you apply the throttle, eliminating any rollback. On a loaded touring bike weighing north of 800 pounds, that feature alone could save you from a very embarrassing and very expensive tip-over. The airbag variant even adds a front-facing motorcycle airbag, making it one of the safest production motorcycles ever built. Now, let's be brutally honest about what you're signing up for. The Goldwing Tour is a heavy motorcycle. We're talking about a wet weight that pushes well past 800 pounds, fully loaded with fuel and gear. Honda has done everything right to minimize the weight's impact on the feel, with low center of gravity engineering, but physics doesn't lie. At walking speeds, in parking lots, or on loose gravel, this bike demands respect and experience. Drop it once and you'll need help or a lot of determination and upper body strength to get it back upright. Newer riders or those returning to motorcycling after a long break should seriously consider their experience level before climbing aboard. The Goldwing Tour is not a budget purchase. The base Goldwing Tour starts at $29,500, and the Tour Airbag Automatic DCT climbs to $33,800 before destination charges, taxes, accessories, and insurance. While the Goldwing justifies its premium through quality and features, the price puts it out of reach for many riders. Opting for DCT quickly pushes you past $30,000, so budget accordingly. An 1833cc six-cylinder engine, for all its glories, is not going to win any fuel efficiency awards. Real-world fuel economy typically lands in the high 30s to low 40s mpg range, which sounds reasonable until you realize you're stopping to fill up more often than on some competing touring bikes with larger tanks. So if you're doing serious cross-country mileage, fuel stops become a genuine strategic consideration. It's not a deal breaker, but it's a factor that long-distance riders will want to build into their route planning. All that remarkable technology, the DCT, the ride-by-wire, the TFT display, the smart key system, the suspension electronics, comes with a trade-off: complexity. The Goldwing Tour requires dealership servicing for most issues, and dealership labor on a high-end Honda flagship is not cheap. As a result, routine maintenance, tire changes on a single-sided swing arm, and any electronic diagnostics will cost you. This is not a bike you're likely to be wrenching on in your garage on a Sunday afternoon. Factor in ongoing ownership costs alongside the purchase price. Here's the hard truth for anyone hoping for something genuinely new. For 2026, both the Goldwing and Goldwing Tour received only color updates, keeping their core elements unchanged. While the new colors are handsome, if you already own a recent Goldwing Tour, there's essentially no reason to upgrade. For prospective buyers, this isn't necessarily a con. The platform is mature and excellent. But if you were hoping Honda would take this 50th anniversary opportunity to introduce a genuinely new generation, you'll have to keep waiting.